In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of managing your Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, free trial. If you're just getting started with GCP, this trial phase offers a fantastic way to explore Google's cloud services without financial commitment. When you initially sign up for GCP, you're gifted with $300 in free credits, which you can use over the span of 90 days. These credits allow you to experiment with different services and functionalities offered by Google Cloud, giving you a hands-on experience to assess whether it's the right fit for your hosting or computational needs. Now, you might be wondering about billing. Let's clear that up. Once you sign up, a billing account is automatically created. However, the good news is you're not going to be charged unless you decide to upgrade intentionally to a pay-as-you-go plan. That means during your trial, you can truly focus on exploring what GCP has to offer without worrying about unexpected charges sneaking up on you. So, do you need to cancel this trial? Here's where it gets even simpler, because the answer is no, you don't have to manually cancel anything. As soon as your trial concludes, whether due to your credits being completely utilized or simply reaching the end of the 90-day window, it will automatically end. This means any trial projects you've been working on will cease operations, and any workloads or persistent resources will shut down without any intervention from you. It's a seamless process designed to make transitioning out of the trial as hassle-free as possible. You will only see a charge if you take the step yourself to manually upgrade your account to a full pay-as-you-go service. If you're not looking to continue with GCP, all you need to do is let the trial run its course. There's no action required on your part to avoid billing at the end of your trial. It's worth noting that this automated ending has its advantages. For instance, you can safely explore GCP's capabilities, knowing you're not going to suddenly incur costs once your trial is complete. This setup gives you a great safety net to test out ideas and projects freely during the trial period. So, go ahead and make full use of your trial to see exactly how Google Cloud can work for you without needing to stress over any cancellation process. As you delve into the world of GCP, enjoy this worry-free trial period and explore the broad range of cloud solutions at your disposal.